Good morning, good morning, good morning. Miss here with 307 Junk Journals. Here for episode 3 of the Grungy Wallpaper journal kit by Amy over at Crafty Cat. We're just going to continue. I do need to repair that, and I did notice that yesterday. And, well, I just hadn't done it because, well... So while this is yesterday for you, this is like 5 minutes for me. But we're just going to continue on adding pockets and things. Now, I think I want this little boy right here, and I'm going to make it a tuck spot behind it with the pocket. So, grab my art glitter glue. Boy, that's hard to say. Art glitter glue. And again, yeah, I know I'm not using a pen that is a stainless steel pen, but causes a squidge of rust. I'm not concerned about it because, well, it's not going to show. So, see, now we have a nice spot. Oops, I didn't glue down there. We have a nice tuck spot here for a big journaling card or a tag or what have you nots. Okay, so, and we did that, and we put a pocket there. Let's decorate this pocket, and then while that pocket there is doing its thing, we will decorate this one. Okay, I do want, I'm going to take that box, just set it there, just so there's a squidge of weight. You know what I really need? Am I using it? Well, of course I am. We're going to make this, I'm going to cut, oh, darn it. Well, I want to make this into, what do I want to make this into? I want to make a cut, I'm going to cut it down there, but I don't want the butterfly. How's that? And I don't even know, okay, no butterfly. I know he's very nice, but I don't want him. I know that's rude. Okay, we're going to go 4 inches because I don't know how wide he is. And I think it was, if I want to do this correctly, I should get my ruler out. Okay. And have it the right direction. Okay, so it is 4 inches. So if I go 3 1/2, then I could have a 1/4 inch on this. Okay. And then here we're going to go 2 1/2. Okay, so what did I say? 3 1/2. There. I don't think I'll use that. And then this way was 2 1/2. Okay, I'm going to take off that, and then I will take off the top. There we go. I could have left it all on there because I am going to bring it down a bit. Well, God bless America. That's okay. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Fine. Do I need to... Is there any white showing? No. So I don't need to ink around it. Because we all know how I feel about inking. I don't like it. I just don't like it. Nope, I don't. Now I'm thinking... Oh, it looks upside down. Oh dear. Okay, right there. Okay, right there. And then on one of these ladies, we're we're going to put this over there and we're going to put that back up there. Because I need to tear me a picture. So Linda over at Handmade, Iowa, she had a wonderful idea. And I don't know that I saw those exact frames in this kit by Joey, but I have the other kit. So I may have to print those out. But she cut, let me see if I can find. So she took like these frames and she cut them all out and made frames and put them around here. The frames in this kit are very technical. That's all I have to say, is they're just very technical. Okay, I am inking this because, well, there's white. There can be no white. And I'm using walnut stain because I want it to stand out a bit more. I don't know which of these ladies I'm actually going to use. And what would be really cool, I've seen my friend Laura over at Crafty Cat with Laura B. She has taken like a lighter and burnt the edges. That's a really cool look too. Okay, let me, oops, I don't want that. Oh, she's a little tall, isn't she? Why, yes, she is. Maybe I won't put either one of those pictures on there. But I do have hustle stamps. For that, I'm going to get my ripple scissors out. And cut them. Sorry if you hear my little dog snoring, I do apologize. She has breathing issues. She can't help it. I can hear her. I doubt that you can hear her because it's pretty light. I like that. Now if we had a label babel. I know these are all, and I don't know where Amy's. I know I printed them. I'm pretty sure I used them. Ooh, I could put like a little piece of book page right there. So right here. I put her over the top. Oh yes, I like that. I like that a lot. Now then. Every winter has its springs. H. Tuttle. Well, okay. I know these are winter ones. It's because this kit from Pink Monarch is the January kit, and, well, it's a winter kit. And I printed it all out in the preparation of making a winter journal, and then I decided not to, because by the time I get this done, yeah, I'm gonna put that like right there and that there. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. And yes, my nose is still slightly to mostly gross because, well, again, it's been 24 hours for you, but for me, it's only been like 10 minutes. there. I really need to find Amy's labels, because I like her there. Now see, that one's all decorated up. And it'll look really nice with a tag in there. Maybe not this tag, but well, of course that tag didn't look bad. Okay, did we get this one finally glued? Yes. Oh, you know, I was going to make a tall journal card out of that. God bless America! For God save the Queen! Maybe we'll make something out of this, because that's a little different. Now, I think I would like to just tear that. And then use one side and then use the other side. And I'm not really picky about whether it hangs out or not. I think I'm going to put this one in an up-top chuck. So how's that? Yep, it's... Okay, we need to close that up because, well, if I don't, it's going to get damaged. Okay, I really want that 1560 to show. Oops. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness. Okay, right there. There. And yes, I'm kind of going backwards here. I don't, oops, that wasn't straight at all. Heavens to Betsy. Here we go. Now it's straight. And I'm going to get my little guillotine cutter because I think I can cut it a little straighter. There. Oh yeah, that's going to be really tall. But if I cut this in half, and if I just put her, no, it's not going to be quite like that. There. Excuse me. Apparently, my coffee has decided to talk back this morning. It's, well, I could put it like that, I guess. Okay, then I want, oh, what is that? Oh, that's an envelope. Let me decorate that. Oh, and we also need to decorate that. Oops. Oh, whew. What happened to it? This, because we're going to make this into a double pocket, a wraparound pocket. You know, one that goes around like that. Oh, but it needs to be trimmed. Okay, no swirling right now. No swirling. No swirling. Okay, I'm just going to stick her right there and I'll come back to decorate her. Okay, now this, a swatch what I'd like to do there. You know, I could put, one of these right down there. Make it like a belly band. And we could put a tuck spot. Or we could tuck something in there. Let's do it. And see, it'll hide the book page. Well, to a degree. But then you see, then since that's open, see, we could put this like, you know, something like that in there, like that. That would be pretty cool. Okay. Now then, you know, this is pretty plain, and that's pretty plain. Okay, let's take this, and let's cut this off right about there. Oh yes, that will be perfect. Perfect, I tell you. Perfect. Okay, we need to cut top notch in it. Ooh, that shot back at me. Okay, grab my ink, because, you know, I like my thumb notches inked. And I think I'm going to take my corner rounder and just round these bottom corners. Yes, sir, Billy Bob. I think that's what's gonna happen. And then we need to do that. Okay, I need to hold that. Okay, I'm gonna run my ink. Maybe I'm gonna run my ink. Or my glue on my ink. Y'all knew what I meant. Y'all were yelling at me. Not ink, glue. I have issues with that sometimes with words. Sometimes I don't even catch myself when I do, you know, faux pas like that. There we go. Oh dear. Apparently my fingers are all inky. Mention that. I'm just taking the pink eraser and trying to erase some of it. Best that I can. There we go. Okay, now this side. I'm just going to take it here. Down there. Hopefully my head didn't get in the way. And then there. And then see, that will hold a nice couple of tags. Okay, well, let's see it like that. Maybe one of those, because they're so pretty. The party, party, party. This is from her winter kit. It's so pretty. This is a journaling card from, I think, her mushroom kit. Okay, we should decorate. No, yeah, we should. Shouldn't we? No, let's just put pockets in. Let's not get caught up in decorating right now. Yeah. Got like a whole bunch of pockets up here. Ooh, now I like that one. It's a little pocket. You know, I swear I cut out some pockets from her kit. But do you think I see them? No, I don't. God bless America. Okay, here's this one. Ooh. I think I want this one. So, I'm just going to, no, I'm not. Going to try and find my little scoreboard. Because I like my little scoreboard. Oops, sorry, I might have bumped you. Didn't mean it. Just trying to line things up here, which is sometimes hard. Hard. There. Ooh, I found a William Morris book, and yeah, I think I have some digitals with William Morris wallpapers. Because, grungy wallpaper. And I like a thumb notch in my pockets. So, go. And for the thumb notch, must ink. Because I want it to look grimy. Or grungy. Like, lots of people have stuck their fingers in there. That's what I like. This one here, I could put another. Do I have another one of these? Why, yes, I do. I could put 2 pockets. Oh my goodness. It's just crazy talking. Oh, here's one that's even really similar to that one. Well, jumping G Wizards. We are going to do it. We are. Trying to keep my head out of the way so I don't bump the camera. I'm wondering how many times I've bumped the camera already. Hopefully not too many times. If I do, I'm so sorry. Okay, fold the outsides in first, and then fold the bottom one up last, so our tags and things don't get stuck. I'm sure that we're going to need more tags for the second signature because, well, I have a tag problem. And I have a hair on my arm. It's very distracting. Sorry. Seeing if I was good, I would have figured out what I was going to do. And I would punch both those out at the same time. But, well, I am not that good. So, there we have it. Okay, I think I want the darker one on top and the lighter one on the bottom. Yeah. Oops. Oh no. So it's snowy here. I'm filming this on Tuesday because I have a doctor's appointment. Well, I have an eye appointment tomorrow. And y'all know I don't like filming when my husband's here. I don't know why, I just don't. We all have our little idiosyncrasies, and that's mine. Okay, now I really want this one like right here, but I don't want to hide that big pearl, so it's going to go up higher. And that's all I can say. I think yesterday I started to say that I been binge watching Grimm, and I am on the last season. I think I'm on there's only 13 episodes in the season, and I think I am on episode 7. I'm very sad because now I'm going to have to find something else to binge watch. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. Wow. And see, now here I can stick these little taglets in here like that. See? How pretty is that? So I could just put one up there. Of course, I have several little taglets. Yeah. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is tag too. I have lots of tags. This one I want like a tall tag, a tall, thin tag, and I don't think that this tag is going to be thin enough. It might be. Oh, it is. Oh, and it's the right colors. Fabulous. No, that's too blendy. I'll have to make one for that one. Because I'm pretty sure I don't have any big ones. I'd like one like this. I mean, that one looks really good in there. Well, I'll put that one there. And I don't know what I'm going to put in over here. Put this gentleman. But I will want something else. Oh, here's a little girl. No, I could do the little boy. He could be peeking out. I don't know. I think I'm gonna make something for there too. All right. I love butterfly. I was very sad that I had to cut it off. I think that tag's a little too blendy. Blendy, blendy, blendy. Is that a small? Nope, not small enough. Oh, but this one is. Half decorate them up a little bit. Okay. Very pretty spread. Okay, I just want a pocket here. And I think I'm going to do a side pocket. I could do this. Do I have a side pocket in that? Why, yes, I do. I think I like that. Now I need. Oop, oh no, scoreboard again. There. And then there. And with the side. That didn't fold very well there, did it? Well, it'll be fine. Oh my goodness. Heavens to Betsy. I have to say that getting older, I knew it was going to be a pill. I just didn't realize how big of a pill it was going to be. I ache all the time. You know, that's the same flower, isn't it? I was thinking that I could do that as a side tuck. I could use him as a side tuck. No, I think I'm just going to go with that one. Yep. And I don't know which kit this came from. I think it came from one of Joey Cardmaker's kits. I think. Not really sure. I know that's not very helpful. But I really think that's where it came from. Okay. Sorry, I had to do my count. Okay, now this one here. This is from Amy's Valentine kit. Do I want to use that one, or do I want to cut this one off? And no, I don't think so. Ooh, I could make a tall skinny tag there for her. Maybe, baby. You know, this ties in the colors from here and this gray. So I think I am going to grab my trimmer tree. Okay, this is how wide? 4 3/4. So let's go 4 1/4. Take a 1/2 inch off this side. Flip it over. Take another 1/2 inch off. There. Perfect. Oh, yeah, it's fine that it's that deep. Okay, I'm going to cut like glue goobers. And we're just going to get these pockets and things in, and then we'll come back, decorate them, and put stuff in there. All at the same time. I will probably, over the weekend, do some of that. Well, no, let me rephrase that. I will continue with the madness with adding the pockets, and once we get to the second part of the signature, I need to do another flippy-doo-dah, and I think I'll probably put it here. What do I want to put here? Heavens to Betsy. Oh, you know, I know it's dangerous for myself. I was thinking that I might want... Yes. Okay, so I want some scissors. There they are. Because I'm going to cut this right there. Yeah. Why, yes. This, however, does need some inking because there's white on the bottom. And you know how I feel about white. There can be no white. And I also want to cut that tip off because, well, I don't really like them. There, now I need to use clear glue. If I really wanted to, I could use fabric tack, but you know, the Tombow clear glue works just as well. And I'm only gluing 2 sides, so this is going to be a tuck versus a pocket. Let's put it above the wormy part. Oh, and that wasn't very straight, was it? Oh, I didn't glue it very straight. Well, that's still not straight. I did not cut it very straight, but it'll be fine. Nobody will know except you, me, you and me. I know that would make some people crazy. Crazy. But, you know, I have enough... sorry. I have enough troubles seeing without becoming obsessive compulsive about things like that. No, it's too blendy. Blendy. Now I could put this here. But the question is do I? Ooh, now that looks kind of cool there. And it's already cut down. You know, I really need... Ooh, that one. I like that. I like the green. Okay, I'm going to, just for a quick second here, take all of these taggy tags that I have and separate them. Because I'm losing track of the tags. I know that that's... Ooh, why not make a belly band? A belly band. Yeah. I don't think... Nope, that is the right way. Yep. Okay, we're going to do a belly band. And truly the only reason I'm inking this is because there's white. White, I tell you, white. Off with the white. Why, yes. And I'm thinking I might even decorate this. Maybe put some ladies there. I don't want to lose that though. Okay, so we're just going to glue this because I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it. Other than make it a belly band. Okay, there we go. And this is from one of Amy's papers as well. This definitely needs a pocket. Don't have one of these pockets. Oh, that is already a tuck spot there. So I could put him. We need a piece of the glue paper. Oh, look at there. There's a piece of my hair trying to make an entrance. There. Because I couldn't see it. So, yeah. Well, I don't know. Put this one. That one wouldn't look bad there, would it? Okay. Shim, shim, shiree. Ooh, and I even see, oops, so that is not this. That was a cutter. I was going to bring the tiny trimmer over. That is not what I wanted to do. I need to refill this. I have a whole bunch up there, and I think I have a whole other bottle down below. Oh, is that showing? Why, yes, it is. Well, we can't have that now, can we? There we go. Oops, oh gosh. Yes, I'm inking, or I'm trying to remember to ink as I put these on because, well, makes it easier to put on. Now I think I'm going to put this one, yeah, right there. The glue. When I say glue like that, I think of Baloo from the Jungle Book. I don't know why. Because I'm weird, that's why. I have a t-shirt that's this cute. Kind of weird. Yeah. That would be me. It would. Okay, there we go. I could put this one. No, it's too matchy. I could put this gentleman in there. Oh, yes, he looks very nice in there against this. Okay, there we go. Now this, I saw something in this, and I'm going to snippity-doo-dah it because of all the wonderful things he does. Not really, but, you know. Oh, hey, that does fit. It's fabulous. I was hoping it would fit, but, you know, I wasn't going to hold my breath. And see, if you wanted to leave this like this and make a belly band out of it, you could. But I want to use it to decorate this. And what I'm wanting, of course, and if you wanted to make it look like, you know, tickets, you would just take your hole punch like that and make it look like tickets. Tickets. And it's a fabulously easy way to get these things like this done, because seriously, oh dear. I'm holding my breath. I don't know why, but I am. And see, it looks like tickets. But like I said, that's not how I'm going to use this. You know, that would make an excellent side belly band. Nope. It's too bad. Okay, so I'm going to take, because, you know, of course, the one that I'm wanting. Okay, and then I want some book page. Or do I want some scripty page? I just don't know. I've got lots of little tiny pieces of book page. Oh, that one even had like a hole punch in it. I don't know what that's from. But I could put it like this. Oh, don't like that. This is my book page scrap kind of thing that I'm using. Let's use some of this. Yes. Using right now. Yes, put all that over there. There. And I think I want this over here. Like so. So see, when I come up with, you know, something, I'm going to go ahead and do it, as you have noticed. Oh, there's a gob of glue there. Otherwise, I'm just, you know, moving on. There's Moving On Up. Was that a song from, oh my goodness, I can't think of the show. I watched it all the time. Where the little black boys go to live with Mr. Drummond. I think they were adopted by him. I'm not sure though. I might make a bigger tag for that one. Are we in? No, we are not. Okay, so I'm not going to put anything there. Now here. Do I want? Now I do like this one. I don't know if I like this one. What about this one? See, this one's bigger. That's why I chose this one. But I don't like that one. Nope, I don't. Oh, but I do like that. Yeah, let's do it. And yes, there's white showing. I don't like white. Grab that up a little bit. Okay. Then I need my scoreboard, my scoring tool. Ooh, and wow, 45 minutes gone. Okay, 10 more minutes. And then we'll call this a video, and I'll continue to work on this adding pockets in over the weekend, and then next week we can, if I get done, we can start decorating. Okay, I want that in, now the bottom in. And the reason we do that is so when you put stuff into the pocket, it doesn't get hung up on this bottom piece. That's why we do that. Because see, it'll slide along the channel, and it won't get caught on that. Where if it was glued underneath them, you would have a lot of, it would catch. Ooh, and that's not good. Well, catching isn't good. That isn't what I was saying wasn't good. You can see the flap. So that is not a good thing. Okay, there we go. No, I don't know where that went. It went someplace up there. Okay, so let us have a cough. So again, I didn't get very far with this because apparently I waffle entirely too much. I'm so sorry. I watch Rachel over at Roxy Creations, and man, she is a whiz. She knows what she wants, where she wants. Oh, I'm covering up the gentleman's face. Oh, well. Okay. I just usually, since I'm using the art glitter glue, I count to at least a count of 5. Sometimes I count more because, well, I get lost in the numbers. The numbers suck me in. But you really don't need to do it past the count of 5, so there. That's nice for the center. Oh, she's so cute. And I want to put, oh, there's a little thingy here. So I'm thinking, I know it's a dangerous thing, that I really want a side belly band. But we're not doing anything more. We are going to recap what we did do. Okay, that was yesterday's video. We put this little feller in, and I put this in because I'm going to make her into a, I don't know, tag journaling card. We decorated this pocket, and I put that in there to decorate. We put this belly type band in so we can put things in here like so. Did this pocket, and I put that tag in there because I thought it looked quite nice. And this is a wraparound pocket, so there's a pocket on each side. And we put 2 pockets on this page. Then we put a side tuck, and I'm going to make a tall tag and put her on it. Then I put this pocket in here, which needs to be decorated. Then I added this side tuck for something, because I didn't want to cover up the 1600s worm page, bookworm page. I love it. And we added a belly band here. Ooh, that would look kind of cute, wouldn't it? Yeah, we'll leave him in there. Then we added the side tuck, and I added this tag there. And then this is also a tuck spot. And then, ooh, well, that's not good. I may have to come back and re-staple this one. I put 2 pockets in here, and then that's where we stopped. So I will continue putting pockets in, and hopefully I'll get that done between now and next week. I'm sure I will. And we will, oops, oh, God bless America. I just spilt something over here. I really did not want to. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, my gosh. Oh, good grief. Good gravy. Look at this. All of this just spilt out. All of it. How rude. How rude, how rude, how rude. So that might make a nice little belly band for this, wouldn't it? I got this for Christmas, all of this. And now it's all spilt all over my thingy over here. I had it separated from stamps and things like that. But heavens to Betsy. But that would make a nice belly band. It looks like it was a wrapping for some of that, but a belly band. Yes. All right, so that's a wrap for today. Excuse my squirrelness, because, you know, there's a lot of squirrels and a lot of glitter that live in my world. So we will see you on Monday for Medieval Mirage Monday, working in the eclectic, whatever comes to my hand journal. So yeah, I'll see you on Monday. Have a good day. Bye. Oh, don't forget to give a thumbs up, like the video, share with your family, friends, neighbors, people you don't like, because all of that helps my channel. And be sure to leave a comment letting me know the name of that one show. You know, Miss Drummond. And what you talking about, Willis? I can't remember the name of it. Different Strokes. That was it. It was Different Strokes. Now I remember. It was a good show. I watched it all the time. So, all right. So you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.